and society. So this is Gen Ed. This is what? Gen Ed or is Gen Ed 11. So Gen Ed 11. So we will discuss class lots of things. Your love, your intimacy, your gender, your sex. Sino ka bigay ka ba sa niya sex? What is sex? What is sex? What is sex? What is gender? Gender is categorized by what? Being, female, and male. Okay? Good. Why you think that? Sex.
Last year pa daw mamabalik lang.
Hindi, ano kita ko sa Facebook na, Bin?
Anong sex daw?
Last year pa daw.
Ang question. Sex lang. Last year pa siya ng sex. Okay. So before I forget, let's discuss our classroom rules. Okay? So class, ayaw ko nang pala. What was your goal? Why are you here in school? Why did your parents send you to school? To learn. How could you learn when you are always absent? May arasang absenteeism na sakit. Or, present today, absent tomorrow, Wednesday, present again. Kapag Monday next week, absent. Tuesday, present. Wednesday, absent. Mind you, class, how will you enhance your learning if you keep on being absent? Your goal is to finish college, right? Kung gusto nyo mag-graduate ang mga anak mo, gusto nyo magkano sa Olimpiyan ninyo, okay? You have your OJT, on-job training. Ano gusto niyo i-feedback sa kumpanya kantor? Ano naman tawag yung sila sa malulos na okay? May kabalungan sa company. Asado na ang